Today I'm going to show you how to make an auto-scroll carousel in Squarespace step by step so you can turn a standard section into a smooth, attention-grabbing carousel that keeps moving automatically. This is a great way to showcase testimonials, services, products, or any list-style content in a more dynamic layout. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Squarespace guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the page in Squarespace that you want to edit. Once you're on the correct page, click Edit in the top left corner. This puts you into editing mode and allows you to add or change sections on the page. Now hover your mouse over the page where you want the new carousel to appear and click Add Section. Squarespace will open the section library where you can browse different section types and layouts. For this setup, you want to use a list section because list sections are the ones that can be converted into a carousel. On the left-hand category menu, click Services, Testimonials, or look for any section that has a small eye or info badge icon in the corner. These are the sections you want to pay attention to because they usually belong to the List Sections category. Once you find the right section type, choose a layout that visually looks like a carousel grid. The key here is to pick a layout that already supports multiple items in a sliding format. After adding the section, hover over it and click the Edit Content button that appears. This opens the configuration panel for that section, where you can control the design and layout options. If you do not see the edit controls right away, just hover slowly over the section until the buttons appear. Inside the configuration panel, go to the Design tab. This is where Squarespace lets you change how the section looks and behaves. Next, click the Layout drop-down menu and select Carousel. This is the setting that changes the section from a static grid into a carousel-style display. Once you've selected Carousel, scroll down to the bottom of the Design tab and look for the Infinite Scroll switch. Turn Infinite Scroll on. This is what makes the carousel keep moving continuously instead of stopping after one full cycle. With this feature enabled, your section will feel much more polished and interactive. At this point, you can preview the page to make sure everything is working properly. Check that the carousel is displaying the content the way you want, and confirm that it scrolls automatically and loops infinitely. If the spacing or layout feels off, you can go back into the Design tab and make small adjustments until it looks right. And that's it. You've now created an auto-scroll carousel in Squarespace by adding the right list section, switching the layout to carousel, and turning on Infinite Scroll. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how professional your page looks. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.